Welcome back to the channel. I'm Rochelle. This is Brampton Gardener, and join me as we walk through the local Fortino's Garden Center. It is open, and there are some absolutely stunning plants out here and some really great gift ideas for Mother's Day. Gorgeous view. So today I'm looking for some herbs, and I'm also looking for some moss that I just saw back there. I'll have to go back and look, and things to go in the mini garden. But we're just kind of taking an overview really quick of the Fortino's, which is a President's Choice Longwell's Company's garden center. It just opened up the last week. So we got some tropical planters, we got some lavender. We'll go over here and look at lots of planters, those peonies, soil, David Austin roses for $33, $20 on the perennials for $11 each. Pansies, although I think the pansies are getting marked down. Creeping phlox. Stone crop, these are nice ground covers. Look at that, so pretty. Hask flowers. Coral bells. Some cool looking chicks and hens. Nice plants. And herbs, we got basil, so all different kinds of basil. So this is purple basil, obviously, just says purple. No specific name. Is this piccolino? Like, it's very tightly packed. Baby. Baby. What is this one? Is this the lettuce leaf one? This is curly basil. More curly basil. Basil Genovese. And then this looks like Thai basil here. Yep, Thai basil. And then we've got chives, parsley. I'm assuming it's parsley and not coriander. Oh, it's coriander, my bad. Coriander, dill, I'm assuming. I don't see a label. Here we go. Dill, yes. Lemon balm, mint. Oh, and they have the mojito mint. That's exciting. So I haven't tried that yet. I don't know if I need more mint. And then we have oregano. We have curly parsley, flat leaf parsley, rosemary, rue, sage. Ooh, I love tarragon. I might have to get a tarragon. Savory, and then thyme. So coming in for veggies are $4 each for 4.5-inch pots. Well, we're starting here with, what do we have here? Some cantaloupe. Here we have Thai hot chilies. Then we have Scotch bonnets. Ring of Fire. That sounds terrifying. We're already starting to set some fruit. Jalapeno. Hot banana. Hot Portugal. Habanero. Ghost pepper. Chili rub. Chili green. Oh, sorry. Cherry nuts. More hot banana. We have pimento. Shepherd. Diablo sweet. Kibinal. Cherry sweet peppers. We have bell peppers. Sweet banana peppers. Lots of brassicas. Lots of tomatoes. We got beefsteak, brandywine, cluster, early girl, Jet Star, lemon, pineapple. Oh, that's one of my favorite. And I don't think I actually grew pineapple this year. I love pineapple. We got some aromas, more pineapple, ultra pink. Of course, there's more in here. I'm not delving into each one. Tiny Tim. Okay, so you can buy them. If you didn't have a chance to start your own dwarf tomatoes, come and buy a Tiny Tim to put in a little pot on your porch or deck or balcony if you don't have a garden. Fantastic. More ultra pink. And then we're to onions. These are all onion starts, so you can plant these out into the garden. Then we got herbs. We got corn. We got corn. We got peas. We got celery, spinach, lettuce, all kinds of lettuce. Squash, and more squash, eggplant, and cabbage, and then more absolutely beautiful planters. If you have a shady garden, the absolutely beautiful begonias. Look at these, stunning. Oh, we got some cannas. Dahlias thrown in over there. How pretty that is. Hopefully I'm not the only one looking for a Mother's Day gift at the garden center, eh? Ducky, yep, shopping. And we got some salad bowls. These are a really fun gift idea. Mother's Day, get her some flowers and something to eat. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.